Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Saturday, May 17, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I'm actually watching the PGA Championship. For those of you who know me, I really enjoy watching golf, especially the majors. And today and tomorrow are the last two rounds of, I believe it's the 107th PGA Championship. But anyway, there's a rain delay where they're playing down in North Carolina. So I thought I would jump in the truck, head over to the post office, sending out more letters, okay, and do a video for you guys. And today I'm going to talk about mailing success and why every letter counts. And if you've never seen any of my videos before, I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years, been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing, okay? So I just thought, I was reading an article this morning actually about direct mail, and there was some statistics in there that were some stuff I didn't know, and I'll probably do a live video on it or another video on it at some point. But basically the article was talking about how every envelope that you mail out is like a door, all right? It's like a new door, and you never know what that new door, when you open it or when it's open, is where it's going to take you, right? And so it got me thinking about what just recently happened to me. I had somebody who received one of my letters. They reached out for a call, and I set up a 15-minute call because the person was really interested in one of my opportunities. I said, no problem. I don't have a problem doing a 15-minute call if somebody's serious, okay? And so I did that, and I answered all their questions. And come to find out, the person not only joined the initial program we were talking about, but joined all three of my direct mail opportunities and joined my coaching program. So it went from potentially earning a $30 commission to earning $630. All right, it had $300 for my coaching program, $200 commission for instant pay 24/7, $100 commission in Cash Building System Unlimited, and a $30 commission for American Bill Money. So that was a cool door that opened, right? And you just never know. That's why I'm always talking about, you know, or using the analogy of seeds being planted with your letters, because you just never know who's going to receive your letter. You never know what action that person is going to take. And I always tell people that if you're in another business opportunity or several business opportunities, the way that I send out my letters, the way that I have everything structured and set up, this works. This will work for you as well. All right? Because what you do is you join one of my direct mail opportunities, you get leads as part of the product, and then you take a letter that I show you, all right? I'll give you my exact letter template when you join me, and a couple other cool things. You mail out that letter that takes people over to your a Linktree page like I have it, like I have Join Russ set up. If you've never been there, visit it, joinruss.com. All right, this takes you over to my Linktree page. It has all my opportunities in one place, and then each opportunity has its own system that does all the selling and telling for me. So my job is just to get people over to my Linktree page, and then it's up to them. If they want to check out my services I offer, they can check those out. If they want to watch my YouTube videos, they can check out my YouTube videos. If they want to connect with me on Facebook, they can do that. It has everything all on one page. And Linktree is free. All right? I'm a numbers guy. I love analytics and stuff like that. So I pay the $9 a month for a pro Linktree account. And to me, that's worth it because I can see all the, you know, I can see where my traffic's coming from. I can see how, you know, how many clicks each opportunity I have is getting, etc. Right? So I don't mind paying for the pro membership. To me, it's worth it. But everything's all there in one place. And that's what I teach people. I teach, so you could use that for any of your opportunities, right? If you're in Live Good, say, or if you're in Save Club or whatever other opportunity you might be in, you can take a letter, and I give you my exact letter template, send this out into the mail to people who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income, and include information about your other opportunities, right? So if I was just sending out a postcard to say, let's just say American Bill Money, and that person got my postcard, that person might have just only joined American Bill Money. But where I send people over to my Linktree page with all my opportunities, this person ended up, like I said, buying my coaching program and joining all 3 of my direct mail opportunities, which turned a $30 commission into $630 for me. All right, so every single piece of mail that you send out, whether it be a letter or a postcard, look at that as being a new door, and you don't know where that door is going to lead once it's open. All right, now I know this person is going to take action because this person is investing in themselves. So it's $630 up front, but I know I'm going to be making residual income off of this person through American Bill Money and through Cash Building System Unlimited, right? So I could potentially make thousands, tens of thousands of dollars from this one person because I know they're going to take action because they invested in themselves. And people that invest in themselves, either by getting a mentor or a coaching program or a course or anything to help better themselves and their business, they're the ones who take serious action. They're serious. They put money out there. They're going to take action. The majority of them. It's just a proven fact. So coming back to the article I was reading, one of the stats was that direct mail has a 6 times let me see, I took a little note here. Direct mail generates 600% more money, or 6 times per lead, than any other marketing method. All right, and that's a good example of what I just talked about. That person signing up for all of my programs in the coaching program. All right, and I've had many people sign up for all my programs. So that's a cool stat that I was unaware of. 600% more money in general with direct mail than any other marketing platforms. All right, and 6 times more money per lead. Another statistic that I found is that you get a 29% return on investment on average. 29% return on investment using direct mail. Now, I don't know if that is, I think that's just the broad scope of direct mail. And people use direct mail for anything. Plumbing services, real estate, HVAC, all kinds, carpentry, roofing, all kinds of businesses. So I don't know if, I think that's just the broad scope of, like, in general, people get a 29% return on investment, which is pretty good, right? So all I know is that direct mail marketing works. It's not going anywhere. Don't stop mailing out. All right? If you just started this or you're thinking about starting it, just take consistent action with your mailings. And like I always say, you get in where you fit in. So if you can only mail out 25 pieces of mail a week, just do that every single week. And don't stop. Don't stop. You will get results at some point. All right? The people that I work with, I never guarantee that they can make any money because it's all based on their work ethic. But the people that I work with who show up and take action every day, they get results. All right? Because it just works. It just works. Do you think I'd be wasting my time every day going to the post office, putting stacks of these letters together every single day if it didn't work for me? I'm telling you that it works. It just works. So, just, show up, take action, stay consistent, and you'll start seeing results over time. I'm at the post office now. So that's my video for today, all right? But just know, every letter counts. Don't stop mailing out. The people who win at this and the people who have the greatest results are the ones who don't stop. And that's all I can tell you, right? There's people in this industry that make 6 and 7 figures a year just mailing out postcards and flyers. All right, I'm going to show you my technique where I mail out a letter with all my opportunities in it, a business card that links over to my Linktree page, and my conversions are through the roof. I've tripled my income since I started doing direct mail, and I share every day with you what I do. All right, it's super easy. It doesn't get any easier than mailing, putting things in the mailbox. And when I combined it, I combine it with social media marketing. So I use YouTube and Facebook to generate even more leads and sales. And I'll show you how I do it. All right. So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And I appreciate you all for watching my videos. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.